Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Wanted to show you something, just saw this one came off the truck, and it's the first time that I've seen one come from the factory with this. So it is the lower body graphic on the new Toyota Rav4. So wanted to show you what it looks like and see if it's something that you guys wanted to get, or if you had one coming in trying to figure out what it would actually look like, if that's the one that that you were ending up getting. So just kind of showing you kind of a look here on either side. It's like I said, it's a graphic. You can feel it. It's on the outside. It has a textured feel to it, so it's kind of blends in pretty good there. Obviously on something that's a different color, it might look a little bit different, but that is the lower body graphic. I'll show you the opposite side over here and see how it looks on the opposite side as well. But that is the lower body graphic on the 2022 and I'm sure 2023 Toyota Rav4. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Bye.